Welcome to the Domain Racer, and this is Ashok from Domain Racer, and today's topic is why .com domain name is the best domain name ever. Whenever we are starting a new business or a website or a blog, so that time the very first question comes in the mind, how to choose a right domain name for the business. For that, we have already created a video guide and the link is given in the description of this video. But this topic is based specifically on .com domain name. Okay, so when we talk about a .com domain, it is the most popular domain extensions on the TLD area. Means top level domains. The next one, sometimes you will get a extra boost or extra value in search engine ranking if you are using a .com extension. Our team has created infographics in that we have shown you the popularity, reliability, optimization, no TLD rules and the popular extension. These are the 5 points that actually the key of .com domain extensions. Might be sometimes we not found our desired domain with a .com extension. So that time, no worry, there are a lot of TLDs available. So let's say if you are in India, you can able to book a IN domain. If you are in US, you can able to book US domain. When we talk about alternatives of .com domain, the currently 3 TLDs are most popular for .com alternatives. The first one is .io because the most of startups and the businesses are using this one. .co, internationally the companies and the businesses are using this extension to represent their information. And third one is a .net. It is a decade-year-old domain extension, so definitely it has a value. And now come to the point, why .com domain name is the best domain name. The very first reason, across internet, the 48% of websites are using .com domain extensions. That clearly means that almost 50% of a market shares has been captured by a .com domain name. So this clearly shows that .com domain has a huge popularity among other TLDs. The market share you can able to see on the screen. Our domain research team has did a lot of research and found that the 495 websites are using .com extensions, which is a phenomenal number. Now come to the next point. Here we have taken a 3 measures. First one is reliability, second one is memorability, and third one is trustworthy. And based on that, we have tried to analyze the data, and we found that .com domain still has a huge popularity and memorability, reliability, and trustworthiness. You can see that the first one is .com, second .in, .org, .net, and .us. Now, whenever we are ranking our website on a Google, so that time, the most of time we can able to see that the .com domain name extensions are ranking or has a value because people are actually considering .com domain whenever they are trying to visit a website. Nowadays, there are almost 1500 plus TLDs available and still .com domain is the most preferred domain name. It is created as one of the first top level domain. At today's date, almost 100 million plus domains with .com extensions are already registered. You can able to understand how popular it is. And this actually represents how popular .com domain name is. The question comes in the mind is, does .com domain has still same popularity or same value as it was? The answer of the question is obviously the yes. In the past several years, there are many TLDs has been introduced. And still, .com domain has the same value and popularity as it has previously. Now the question is how to check whether domain .com available or not. So in this case, you can able to go to the domainracer.com and type your ideal domain. So you can able to check whether the domain is available or not. If you have any queries about domain hosting as services, you can able to comment below or you can able to give your feedback. And please like, share and subscribe this video so we will come up with a new video